Today I want to show you something that really makes Pindown click. It's not just that you can store information, it's that you can create it with chat, place it exactly where it belongs, and share only what matters without starting over every time. And the best place to see that is home. Home is your starting point, a blank conversation with the Pindown agent. So let's say I'm kicking off a new idea. I don't want to open 5 different tools. I just open Home and I tell the agent what I need. Maybe I attach a document like a PDF, or I ask it to run a web search and pull in fresh research. Or I paste in a block of text and say, turn this into something useful. The agent reads what I give it, uses the tools it needs, and starts creating pins. Pins are the building blocks, small, focused pieces of information, not one giant doc you have to share in full. And here's the part people miss at first. The agent isn't working in a vacuum. It's working with your workspace context. Your existing pins, your projects, your pages, you get the point. So when I say, create a few pins from this research and fit them into what I'm already building, it actually understands what I mean. I can review what it made or ask for a change. Turn this paragraph into a table. Make this a chart instead. Add one more pin for the risk section. All in the same conversation. Now, I've got pins I'm happy with. What next? This is where Pindown gets really practical. I can tell the agent to add my pins to a format, and because every format is built from pins, if I update a pin later, every format using that pin updates too. Now let's talk about sharing, because creating is only half the point. You need to get information to someone else, clearly, and without oversharing. With Pindown, you can share an entire format. Or, and this is underrated, you can share just one pin. Exactly what the person needs, nothing more. That's the whole philosophy. Pinpoint information. And it all stays connected to your workspace, so the agent always has the right context to help you go further. So if you haven't tried it yet, go to Home. Attach a document, run a search, describe what you want, watch the agent create pins, add them to a format, share it. That's the loop. Almost forgot. Be sure to check out our actual workspaces after you are done with creating some pins. We have projects for organizing and Canvas for drafting and brainstorming. We will be sure to drop some in-depth videos for these later. Visit pindown.ai and see how fast you can go from a rough idea to something you're proud to send. Thanks for watching.